Hello, and welcome to 2312 Pestalozzi, here in the Benton Park neighborhood, St. Louis, Missouri. This house offers 3 floors with 3 bedrooms, each with their own ensuite, and a full basement as well, which has further space that can be finished out. Looking around at this house, so it's a townhome. It's this right side of this townhome here. And as we come through the alley, you can see it also includes a 2-car garage off the side here. I think this building was originally built as an apartment building. It looks quite large and substantial for a single family home here. And you can see it has an old school fire escape as well, which kind of gives away the fact that that may have been its original use. Coming back around, we're going to take a look inside. Looking at the front, you can see some of the original brick detailing here. And it is a really tall building. These ceilings are very high on all 3 levels. Coming inside, you can see the original dividing wall that divides the 2 sides of the building here. Coming through into an open plan, living, dining, and kitchen. Chandelier over the dining area. And looking at the kitchen, lots of cabinets everywhere, all the way up to the ceiling. Ladder would definitely be useful for these top ones, but there is plenty of storage here. Quartz countertop island with a wine bar, apron front sink, and dishwasher built in. Seating obviously behind here. And a china cabinet on this side with a little coffee center underneath. Looking outside, neighbor's dogs were a little noisy earlier. You can see how they have this set up. So this is a city-style carport, the garage is, but it's closed on 2 sides. So it does offer a little bit more space than a standard carport. Nicely done, and a little garden area here too. We have 3 decks going all the way up. As we make our way upstairs, first floor has a powder room. And that exposed brick looks really nice in there too. It's in unusually good condition as well. Oftentimes these exposed brick walls, they don't clean the brick off and don't tuck point, so it looks a little rough, but this has been nicely tuck pointed and gives a more finished feel than some I've seen. Coming around to the owner's suite here, have a coved ceiling. Your own private deck up here. And then we have the walk-in closet. Very spacious. And one of the nicer bathrooms I've seen in a very long time. This has a tub shower wet room feature with a soaking tub integrated with a shower and a bench. Multiple heads in the shower. And then the bathroom has the dry area, or the less wet area, I guess you'd say, the vanities and what have you. The other end of this floor, so this floor is essentially just for the owner. You have your own laundry as well. And this is just the utility closet with the furnace and whatnot. Yet there's a third floor. And on this third floor, we have another bedroom with, yes, its own balcony. And we're quite a ways up here, too. Standard closets in this bedroom, but it does have its own ensuite. Again, very large shower here. Zigzag subway tile. And coming around, toilet and vanity. And there's a second laundry area here too. So there is a laundry for just these floors. So essentially you'll never have to carry a laundry basket up and down a flight of stairs. And then we have the third bedroom here. This one faces the front. It is carpeted. And this bedroom also has its own bathroom. This one has a tub. Again, subway tiled. Full windows are a nice feature as well. And then we have vanity and toilet. Coming back downstairs, I'll show you the basement, because if this isn't quite enough space, there's still scope to expand. And bedrooms and bathrooms are obviously well furnished here, as well as laundry. But if you wanted, there would still be space to possibly expand an extra family room, game room, something like that. See a little kitty right outside the glass door here who seems to think this is his home. Maybe he wants to move in. So the basement, you can see we have modern steps with current tread depth, not the laddery type that used to be built in most of these properties. Pretty good ceiling height as well. And it's actually really good for a basement. It's just the rooms upstairs have such high ceilings it even dwarfs what is a probably 8 foot to 9 foot ceiling, probably 8 foot I'd say, throughout. And again, we have the brick wall which separates the two halves of the building, or the two addresses from each other rather. A walkout which has been bricked up and a sump pump. So again, lots of scope for building something down here and adding even more square footage if so desired. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and let me know if there's any other types of homes you'd like to see. Thank you.